Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to return an item on Vinted. Maybe it's damaged, fake or not as described. Well, good news, you are fully protected. But timing is everything. You must report the issue before confirming the order. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually return an item on Vinted. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go to the App Store or Play Store if you are using mobile and download the Vinted app. Then you can access the inbox and all of them steps that I'm gonna go through using the same things on the website. So for me, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com, open the website, log in using my email address and password. Then I'm gonna go to access my inbox here. So tap on this email or this inbox, then open the completed order. Tap report a problem, then choose your issue type. Upload clear photos as evidence, then submit the request. So if return is approved, you will receive return instructions. Ship the item back within the given time frame and upload the tracking if required. As for an important note, do not tap everything is okay if there is an issue. This releases payment to the seller instantly, so keep it in mind. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.